Hey everybody, Chris here with ipd, and in this video we're going to be talking about upgraded anti-sway bars for one of the most iconic Volvos ever made, and that is the Volvo 240. This is one of the sway bar kits that helped put ipd on the map and to become known as the Volvo suspension specialist, and we are continuing to help enthusiasts today by increasing the handling capabilities for that specific model. If you like these types of videos, make sure and like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For over 50 years, ipd has been developing and manufacturing sway bar kits specifically for Volvo. And this 240 anti-sway bar kit here in front of me is one of the most iconic sway bar kits that we've ever manufactured and designed. The reason being is that the Volvo 240 roamed the highways from the 70s, 80s, and early 90s. There were so many of them at your corners or your local grocery stores that it was easy to appeal to a wider audience to increase its handling capabilities for these cars. So we had a lot of enthusiasts that own 240s. There's also a lot of grocery getters or just practical drivers that wanted to get a little bit more out of their vehicle, maybe while towing, or feel a little bit more confident while sitting in the driver's seat. ipd appealed to both of those markets back in the day by offering two different versions. We offered a kit where the front sway bar is a 25mm and the rear sway bar was a 22mm. This was mainly for your factory cars, ride height cars, or your sedans. We also carried another version for enthusiasts or people that wanted to lower their vehicles and wagon models, which offered a 25mm front sway bar and a 25mm rear bar as well. Being the Volvo suspension specialists, we made a kit that made the car more neutral balanced when steering or driving, more spirited, or for the enthusiast that really wanted to go out there to obtain a certain handling characteristic, and we did that by offering both of these kits. These cars have now become widely enthusiastic among all automobile owners. The 240 leaves a huge platform for people to upgrade their cars or do different types of drive plants in them. They're looking for ways to autocross them, take them to the track, or if the consumer is still out there just driving around in a 240 as a hidden gem, we appreciate that, and we still have an upgrade for you. But the fact is, we're still here. We still manufacture these bars specifically for 240s. The front bar is made out of full-blown CNC. They are solid spring steel, so that's a huge upgrade over the factory bar. They're direct replacement. We also have polyurethane bushings and heavy-duty mounting brackets and all the pieces to be able to make this kit complete. If you like what you see, make sure and hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also hit up our customer service department at 800-444-6473 if you have any questions.